Hello everyone, if you want to play Palworld and you keep getting this error, a network error has occurred, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Palworld easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here view network connections, you're going to right click on your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So right click on it, click properties, click onto Internet Protocol version 4, click onto properties, then click on to use the following DNS server addresses. Write on here 8.8.8.8. In the alternate DNS, you're going to write 8.8.4.4. After that, click OK. And now untick Internet Protocol version 6 and then click OK again. Now close this up. Now you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on Palworld, click Properties, Install Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files here. After you do that, you're going to click Browse on here to open up Palworld's Games folder, or you're going to go to its location manually. Right click on Palworld Win64 shipping.exe, click Properties, Compatibility, disable full screen optimizations and click Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, OK, and now restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now you're going to go ahead and try to play Palworld and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So this guys, that's how it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.